Gadag district. Gadag district was created by dividing Dharwad district in the year 1997. The Veeranarayana temple and Trikuteshwara temples built by Chalukyas are the art and architecture wonders of this district. The poetry written by Kumara Vyasa, Karnataka Bharata Katha Manjari, is famous as Kumara Vyasa Bharata. The poetry Kumara Vyasa Bharata was written by Kumara Vyasa. Maize, groundnut, wheat, green gram and other pulses are grown in this district. Fruits like mango, pomegranate, grapes are grown here. The Gadag Cooperative Textile Mills, Sri Vijayanagara Sugar Factory and Sri Someshwara Farmers Cooperative Spinning Mill are engaged in production. Next one is Vijayapura district. The world famous Gol Gumbaz is in Vijayapura. This is called as Whispering Dome. Gol Gumbaz is called as Whispering Dome. During the rule of Chalukya, this was named as Vijayapura. Delhi Sultans were invading this again and again. Delhi Sultans were invading Vijayapura again and again. Adil Shahi kings built Gol Gumbaz in the year 1656 CE. Who built Gol Gumbaz? Adil Shahi kings built Gol Gumbaz in 1656 CE. It is considered as the largest dome in India and the second largest dome in the world. It is considered as the largest dome in India and the second largest dome in the world. Ibrahim Roza is another beautiful building of Vijayapura. It is compared with Taj Mahal by many. Ibrahim Adil Shahi tried to bring harmony among Hindu and Muslims. He wrote a famous book, Kitab-e-Nawraz. Kitab-e-Nawraz was written by Ibrahim Adil Shahi. The major occupation of Vijayapura is agriculture. Maize, sorghum, green gram and pearl millets are the major crops of this district. Sugar cane and cotton are the major commercial crops. Oil crops like groundnut and sunflowers are also grown here. Pomegranate, sapota, papaya and watermelon are the important fruits grown here. In Vijayanagara, there is a Karnataka State Women's University and there are many engineering and medical colleges. Next one is Bagalkote district. Bagalkote district was created in 1997 by dividing Vijayapura district. Badami was the capital city of Chalukya, is also here. Badami, Aihole, Pattadakallu are called as the laboratory of temple architecture. These have been identified as World Heritage Site. Banashankari temple and Shivayoga temple of this district are popular. Pallavas, Vijayanagara kings, Adil Shahi rulers, Nizams, Marathas and Britishers have ruled over this place. The blouse pieces of Guledagudda, the Muharram festival of Bilagi, the Mahanteshwara Mutt of Ilkal, the Hazrat Sayyid Mutarza Dargah, the Ilkal Sari, The Abu Bakr Dargah of Jamakandi are famous in Bagalkote district. Krishna, Malaprabha and Ghataprabha rivers are the famous rivers of this district. The Alamatti Dam is famous in the name of Lal Bahadur Shastri is there in this district. There are also many sugar factories and cement factories. Next one is Belagavi district. Belagavi is the most famous border district of Karnataka. It borders Goa and Maharashtra. It was called as Venugrama, which means bamboo village. This district was ruled by Chalukyas, Rashtrakutas, Devagiri Yadavas and Delhi Sultans. Arani Chennamma University, Vishveshwaraya Technical University and many engineering and medical colleges are here. There are many sugar factories, Hidalgo Industries, textile mills, leather industries, Tata Power Unit and Hindustan Latex Unit are housed in this district. The government of Karnataka has built Suvarna Sauda. Next one is Uttara Kannada district. Uttara Kannada district is famous coastal district. Karwar is its center. Because of its strategic position, the government of India has built a large naval base here called as Seabird Naval Base. The Seabird Naval Base is built in Karwar. This district is divided into two based on its geographical nature. It was divided into two based on its geographical nature. One is the coastal area and the another one is the hilly area. This district receives yearly average rainfall of 3000 mm. Evergreen forest also here. Banavasi of this district was the capital of Kadambas. Kadambas, Chalukyas, Rashtrakutas, Hoysalas, Vijayanagara kings, Marathas and the Britishers have ruled this area. This has been a trade center for Arabs, Dutch and Portuguese since ancient times. Spices like clove, pepper and cinnamon were the major goods for trade. Sugarcane, cocoa, cashew nut, paddy, banana, sapota are the major crops of this district. The important ports of this district are Bhatkala, Honnavara, Karavara, Thadi and Bilikeri. The important ports of this district are Bhatkala, Honnavara, Karavara, Thadi and Bilikeri. Dear students, I hope you understood about the Belagavi division. Open your textbook, try to understand the lesson. Thank you.